Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another remote work from home job just for you. Today we have Wolf Strategies remote position. They're looking for a creative director, and this pays anywhere from $110,000 to $125,000 per year. So Wolf Strategy is a digital-first consulting firm specializing in support for equity and justice-focused advocacy organizations and businesses and for historically underrepresented candidates. Our thoughtful digital programs incorporate targeted digital advertising, engage social channel content, authentic email, branding, and logos, and websites that get results. You're a passionate follower of pop culture, politics, news, and social media, and are curious about others. You're a good writer and communicator, and creative problem solver. You're thoughtful and like planning and goal setting, and love helping your colleagues and produce great work. You like a remote community and are used to Slack, Zoom, shared docs, and all the other things that make the remote lifestyle. You can keep the big picture in mind while telling the visual story that meets the goals and reaches the correct audience. You really dig politics, and you are dedicated to equity and social justice. You have an interesting hobby or a dog. As a creative director, you will work with our visual creative teams to create designs that maintain, develop, and involve client branded standards. You will work directly with clients, but mostly with our team, to develop the perfect content to reach and impact the communities they serve. You will happily get your hands into the daily work as a creator and as a leader. You can keep track of multiple projects, meet deadlines, and prioritize work according to changing needs. You have an excellent understanding of creative assets, digital branding, and how to use the right illustrations for the right audiences to get the right results. You keep up with the changes in each platform and know what to do with them. Your duties will include provide direction and content for visual identities, including videos and website content, design and create assets for social media accounts, including templates and graphic content for organic, social, and paid media programs. You can design email templates and develop digital newsletter properties, design sub-branding for campaigns and events, develop wireframes, page design mock-ups, and prototypes for landing pages, websites, and web-based interactives. Serve as a project lead and manage large and long-term graphic projects at various stages of production, and make design decisions. Attend weekly meetings to design updates and requests, meet deadlines and communicate necessary timeline adjustments as needed. Utilize original and stock video footage, 2D motion, visual and audio effects, graphics, composite, text, and animation. Manage stock video and B-roll, voiceover artists, and background sound. Assist with remote video shoots as needed. Stay up to date with creative trends and best practices of digital platforms and advise new creative ideas and opportunities. The flexibility to work in regular campaign hours, including nights and weekends, to assist clients during their busy campaign season. So skills that are needed for success: at least 7 years of graphic design, social media content, brand design, and video editing experience, at least 4 years of experience managing a team, experience of creative illustrations, logos, brand materials, and video for digital platforms, ideally in the political or advocacy space, knowledge of the entire space of creative design production process from creation to competition, experience creating videos and visuals for a variety of digital platforms, and a strong sensibility for compelling pacing, music, graphics, type, and storytelling, knowledge of media asset management platforms and solutions, project management skills including organization, communication, flexibility, collaboration, and attention to detail, quick editing skills with an eye for type and design fundamentals, the ability to meet deadlines, creatively problem solve, and communicate clearly with the team, experience working well with a remote team, and has a genuine interest in advancing equity and justice work. So please send these items. In the subject, you can put creative director, your resume, a note about how and why you love this work and why you will bring to the Wolf Strategy. This is your writing sample / cover letter all in one, and a portfolio of works of which you are most proud of or showcase your creative vision. This will be a full-time position. It pays from $110,000 to $125,000 per year. It includes benefits such as 401k, dental and health insurance, and paid time off. Your schedule will be 8-hour shift with some weekend availability and is fully remote. So if this sounds like you, I'll put the link right below in the description box so you can apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a remote job just for you that we post 5 to 7 leads every single day. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.